What's going on, everybody? It's the Jade Zane 666 again. Doing another review. This review time's on the Movie Maniacs, Bram Stoker's Dracula action pack. I have it in the box. I haven't taken it out. Box is pretty screwed up on it. I probably should take the figures out. The only reason I haven't is I guess really, I don't know. I think they kind of look better in the box. This was put out by McFarlane, I'd say a couple of years ago. You can find them still on eBay. They're going for about $30 or so. Like I said, this is from the Movie Maniacs line. You can see in the back here. See what they kind of look like a little bit. This one here was put out as a kind of a little set. They only had it out for a couple of months, and I noticed at stores when I bought it a long time ago, they started selling out pretty fast. But if you're a Bram Stoker's fan, the remake Dracula, I highly recommend picking it up. The figures look pretty awesome. You can see here in the package, they got pretty good awesome on the detail on their faces. We got one vampire and one werewolf figure, and the 2-pack. Like I said, the box I have in this one it's kind of deteriorating. It's starting to come apart already. I probably should take it out, but I said I had the time and interest to do it, so I kind of just left it in the box. I'm going to go ahead and go on pan on something else a little bit here. This here is a model kit made by Horizon. Now, this kit here was something I put together myself. I put this together when I was about 19 years old. This kit's kind of, I can tell you kind of how old this kit is. I'm 33 now, so this kit was a long time ago. It's discontinued. You can't find it anymore. That's made out of vinyl. It's a 1/6 scale figure, and this is the same figure as the vampire here, and it's from the same movie, Bram Stoker's Dracula. And let's go ahead and do a little walk around on it. Basically, like I said, it's made out of vinyl. I airbrushed and hand painted this figure myself. I do that kind of like a little hobby, painting things myself, putting them together myself. I guess I had time lately to do it. But when I get time to, I probably will start putting some kits together. When I put some kits together, I'll probably do some reviews. But you can see on this here, it's real awesome detail. You can see his wing folded behind there. You can go ahead and see the arm and the fur on it and the face. The face was awesome in this thing, man. I mean, the detail they put in this figure was awesome. I went and painted the eyes red, got some blood around the mouth. Couldn't zoom out of it. But just an awesome figure. It almost looks like something you would buy in a store. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but I think I really did a really good job on this. Let me know what you guys think. Did I do a good job painting it up? Does it look like the movie? Go ahead and airbrush some veins on them. There's another one, the werewolf figure that I also painted. This is another kit that came from Horizon, and I painted this myself also. And you can see the feet on it, and the fur, and then the face, which is real awesome. It took me a while to paint the face on this thing. I know the camera can't really show you all the detail on this thing. And you got the hands right here. Go ahead and show around a little bit. The werewolf figure, this is both made out of vinyl. You can't find these anymore. Like I said, they were built a couple of years ago, a while back actually, but good luck finding them. It's real hard to find them, and if you enjoy building model kits, I'm sure they got some other kits out there that you could probably buy the same characters that you could probably build up yourself. But like I said, I built these a long time ago, and I will be building some more when I get some time. Probably start getting back into that hobby again. When I do start getting into the hobby and I do have some extra time, I start building them up again. I will be taking some requests. I used to do a couple build-ups for a couple people. Build-up, what I mean by build-up is you buy the kit, and then basically you kind of pay me to do the painting on it and build it up for you. Some people don't want to do that. Some people want to build themselves, which, to me is more fun than having someone do it for you. But some people just want somebody to paint it. Maybe they don't have the skills to paint it, or they don't have the time to paint it. But I just want to give you guys a little sample of my work a little bit. Like I said, I've been out of practice for a while, but I'm pretty sure I can get back in the groove of things of painting. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. You guys like the figures? Do you guys like the way I painted them up? Like I said, The kits are long out of production. The McFarlane isn't. You can still get the McFarlane. I just thought I'd pick up the McFarlane because I'm a big fan of the Bram Stoker's Dracula. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the figures? You don't? Do you like the McFarlane figure? Do you have the figure? And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave you with some final pictures of my work and the kit themselves. And let me know what you guys think. See ya.